Hello and welcome to the Learn AI series. My name is Amir Hardouf, and today we're going to talk about how to use ChatGPT to create very easy to understand explanations that we can use when we talk to children, for example. And it's a very cool thing to do with ChatGPT, and you'll actually learn something yourself, I'm sure. So before we begin, I do urge you to go to my website, www.learnaiseries.com, and sign up for my free 3-part series about ChatGPT and this whole wonderful world of AI. It's completely free. It's starting very soon. So head on over there to sign up. Okay, now let's take a look, and I'll go into ChatGPT, and I'll show you a very, very simple method to create very concise and interesting explanations. All right, so we'll jump over to ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask it a question. I'm using ChatGPT 4 right now, which is the paid version of ChatGPT, but you can definitely do this with a free version as well. And I'm going to ask a question. Please explain to me why plants are green. Okay, so an interesting question. Many people don't really know the answer. Plants are green primarily due to a pigment called chlorophyll, which is crucial for photosynthesis. Here's a detailed explanation, and it's giving me a detailed explanation. Chlorophyll and light absorption. Chlorophyll is the main pigment found in the chloroplasts of plants. It plays a vital role in absorbing light energy from the sun. Chlorophyll primarily absorbs light in the blue and red wavelength, but reflects green light, which is why plants appear green to us. And then it explains about photosynthesis, and then the two types of chlorophyll, and then efficiency of photosynthesis and variations in plant colors. So, you can go to ChatGPT and do your own research and write this simple question. Please explain to me why plants are green. Now, the thing is this: if I were to explain this to a child, for example, it's going to be very hard for me to explain so that that child understands. And actually, some people would read this explanation and would find it hard to understand themselves. So now I'm going to use a very simple prompt. Now, please explain this to me as if you are explaining to a 7-year-old. Okay, so the technique I've used is actually tell ChatGPT the type of style of writing or style of communication that I'd like it to use. So it's telling me, all right, imagine plants are like little green magicians. They have a special green paint called chlorophyll that helps them use sunlight to make their food. Let me explain it in a fun way. Chlorophyll, the green paint. Plants have this green paint in their leaves called chlorophyll. It's like a magic paint because it helps the plant to catch sunlight. Okay, catching sunlight. Just like you might use a net to catch butterflies, plants use their green paint to catch sunlight. But why do they need sunlight? They use it to make their food. Okay, so number 3, why plants are green. Plants look green because their chlorophyll paint is really good at catching blue and red light from the sun, but it doesn't catch green light. Instead, it bounces the green light back like a trampoline. That's why we see plants as green. And then it goes on making food with sunlight. When plants catch the sunlight, they use it to turn air and water into food. This is a bit like making a cake. They mix ingredients, air and water, with energy, sunlight, to make something yummy, food for the plant. Plants are different. It says not all plants are just green. Some have different colors in their leaves because they have other types of paint, like yellow or red. These colors can help the plant in different ways, just like wearing sunscreen or sunglasses helps you on a sunny day. So plants are green because they have a special green paint that helps them catch sunlight and make food. It's a super cool trick of nature. Okay, so the demonstration here is that you can ask ChatGPT for a lot of great information, and in addition, you can describe what style of answer you would like to get back. Now, I could go on and create more with this information and ask for many, many different styles, but we'll stop here. And whoever wants to learn even more and show a lot of demonstrations of this and many other things that are possible with ChatGPT and AI in general, you're welcome to join me at the Learn AI series. It's completely free, 3 hours with me, all live. Go to www.learnaiseries.com and sign up, and I'll see you later.